Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A26. First you need to be plugged in to a computer, so you need to plug your phone into a computer that's either Mac or Windows, whatever it is. It just has to be a PC, laptop, anything else. And you don't need to do anything on that computer, it just has to be plugged in. And besides that, nothing else. And first we need to shut down our phone, so just press and hold on power and volume down and keep on pressing until the screen turns off. When the screen turns off, immediately move your finger from the volume down to volume up and keep on pressing volume up and power button. Don't release the power button until you get into recovery. Now we are in the recovery. You can go with the volume buttons and approve with the power button. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.